That's not even yours, Chopper. That's Malachi's. Can you take Malachi's leash off? Malachi, take his bone. Chopper said, this is mine. I've been helping take care of that dog. I get this.
Stop it.
Malachi, where's your bone?
No.
Chopper. Chopper's licking the hell out of it, too. Look. Malachi. He's got it. Hey! Chopper. Chopper, you better watch yourself. I know you're not. You better watch yourself. That's not even yours. He was specially good at the doctor's today, and he got that. You can't just take it from him. Chopper. You can't just take his bone. He was a good boy, and he got that. Chopper, that's not nice. Chopper. Chopper. You have to give him his bone. That's not yours. Hey! Chopper. Don't make me come over there, boy. Hey! That's not yours. No. Put it down. Now you're going to put it down because you're being naughty. Chopper. He said please. Can he get his toy back? Chopper, he wants to know if he can get his bone back. Chopper. I will hurt you, boy. Watch yourself. You don't growl. You be nice. He really wants that bone. It's not even yours. You didn't go to the vet to get it. Malachi, stop biting him. He's very serious about this bone. That's not even his. Chopper, that's not yours. He's very serious about it, Alexis. It's not yours. Bring it here. Bring it here, Chopper. Chopper, come here. Put it down. It's not yours. Oh. Are you going to do this all day? You're not even going to get a chance to chew on it. Malachi, that's enough or he snaps at you. Are you hiding? Malachi. He's going to hide. He's going to attack. Okay, he's going to do a surprise attack. Here he comes.
Probably can't get out.
He's thinking about it. Hold on. He's a turtle. He's surprise attacking Chopper. Come here, Malachi. Come here, buddy. Malachi, Mama play with you. Come here, Oh, poor baby Malachi. Chopper, you're being such a jerk today. Chopper! He got that from the doctors. Put it down. Come here. His tail's wagging. Now you're just messing with him. Watch your mouth. Uh-huh. Chopper, be nice. He is totally messing with Malachi. Can you see them when they're bigger? No, put my movies down. Give me that. That's Mommy's movies. You can't touch those. Okay. No. Give me. Oh my God, Malachi. Can you get that from him? Or he hurts himself because he's not that smart sometimes. No. No. He's like, I can't play with anything, peoples.
Also steps on his head.
I don't think he cares. He's a whole 18 pounds now, Alexis. There he goes. Here he comes. Oh, he's thirsty. Give me that bone. Give Mommy the bone. Give Mama the bone. You give me that bone. Let go. Drop it. Let it go. You know this is not your bone. You know that is not your bone. That's Malachi's bone. That's Malachi's. He was actually a good boy this time at the vet, and he got it as a special treat. You're just being mean and nasty. Chopper. Chopper. Malachi, where are you going? He decided he needed more water. Malachi, come here. What are you doing? No, you can't eat all your brother's food. Can't eat any of it. You have your puppy food. Come on, Malachi. Well, then you better go get on the couch. Go get on the couch. Get up on the couch. Chopper, get on the couch or I'm going to give it to him. Go get on the couch. Get up on the couch. Go. Get up. Go. Hurry up. Hey. Be nice to your little brother. Your little sweet little brother. All right, guys. Oh, he got it, didn't he? Chopper. Chopper. He got it fair and square. You shouldn't have set it down. He is going to get it back from him. You guys are ridiculous. You have a long road ahead of you. You need to learn to get along. Chopper, you're so mean. You're mean to him. That's not nice. I think you're just messing with him now.